So then there's the interface right there. So we have Spotify open right there, and if you rotate the thing, Android Auto, you still retain certain stuff like reverse camera. So you still have a reverse camera, which is a big thing for most people. You can kind of talk. I don't have any parking tickets. So then there's the interface right there, and of course, can you help me rotate it? We're gonna just go over the interface first before we go into the applications. Yeah, you just rotate it like that. Say you're wanted to go on the Instagram, boom, the UI changes instantly. And look at that on the BRZ. That thing is just massive. Oh my god, that's like that's the whole dash. That's the vents and the AC unit. The screen's so massive. If you can tilt it again. Very nice. Can you hold the camera? Make sure there's not too many reflections, depending on how you have your angle. Alright, so let's just look at the settings real quick while we're at it. So we saw the Android Auto, we saw applications, you have aux, pictures, I don't know how pictures look like. There's no pictures in these folders, Gmail, camera, maps, Play Store, which is important, and then we have the Android Auto app, customize apps, nothing, file manager, you kind of get it. Camera, we don't have any cameras, but it looks like you could potentially put 360 cameras, and then it'll have front view, side view, rear, something like that. I'm not too sure, but yeah. You can have 3 cameras on this, I bet. And we got navigation. Looks like it defaults to Google Maps. But I want to go into the settings because that's kind of more interesting. GPS. So let's go to settings. So I said settings. Oh, we were in settings. Interesting. Let's go home. There's no toolbar. Where's the settings I'm looking for? Do I have to rotate it like this? Okay. Rotating like this shows me more settings. So we have apps customized, GPS monitoring, date and time, language, equalizer, dimmer. Can you turn on your headlights real quick? Yeah, so it dimmed the screen. Okay, you can turn it off. User settings, auto navigation run, split, track lines, parking sounds, touch tone, accessory, volume, save. Let's change this to Fahrenheit, reset when breakdown, brake detect, let's just turn that off, output, mobile connections, auto run car auto when phone is connected. I had it on earlier, so I was trying to boot into there. Background processes, good. It says 3G, 4G of RAM. I'm not too sure. Got the update. This is using the PX6, so it is faster. But I don't want to do that. Then you have install set, wheel setting, and radio. Let's change this to America. And that's about it. I don't know the code for this, so I probably, yeah, I don't know the code, but yeah, so those are some more your basic settings. Then you get more settings, and this is kind of like your traditional Android screen. Let's go to system and see the firmware. Probably want to change the time, so it's updated to 8.1. Not 9.0 or Android 10, but yeah, there it is right there. That's great. And that kind of concludes the install video. Check out the install fitment and stuff I just plugged in my phone. Very cool. I just need to charge my phone. But anyways, yeah, that is the head unit. It is, oops, trying to connect. It's fine. So we have Spotify open right there, and if you rotate the thing, Android Auto rotates too, so that's really cool. And bada boom, bada bing, we done here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. The install was a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be because of the fitment and getting the way I wanted to look. Yeah, having the hinge and everything fit into, this is a 13-inch screen, so it's very hard to fit this in a really small car like this. If you were in a SUV, a Jeep, or a truck or something like that, definitely would be a lot easier. Even a sedan would be a lot easier than a compact sports car. This is basically almost the size of a Miata, but this is how it would look like in a small car, which is great. I really like the auto functionality with the gyroscope, so when your orientation is changed. And then I also really enjoy the fact that I have Android Auto and then Apple CarPlay too. That's a big selling point when it comes to a car. You still retain certain stuff like reverse camera, so we still have the reverse camera, which is a big thing for most people. You can kind of toggle. I don't have any parking sensors, so I might be able to turn that off, but you can kind of toggle between like full screen or kind of have still your menu up here, which is nice, while still having your backup camera, or even have it something like this to make it even smaller. So it's a nice feature. I know the other Android head units, they don't have this bar, it's just that. So yeah, it's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys were planning to install this head unit, go buy it below in the links description below. I'm gonna test this out in the next week or two and give you my rundown on how I feel about it, learn all its secrets like the password and stuff like that, and then make a full review. But this was just kind of like the install and the first impression of the 13-inch head unit. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like if you made it this far. These videos take a lot of time, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.